Hello, camera enthusiasts. How's it going? Today, we're diving into a unique and iconic camera from the 90s, the Hasselblad XPan. If you're into panoramic photography or looking for something beyond the standard 35mm experience, stick around because this might be the perfect addition to your collection. The Hasselblad XPan isn't your typical film camera. It stands out due to its rare ability to shoot true panoramic images on 35mm film without needing special rolls or additional gear. This was a collaboration between Hasselblad and Fuji, resulting in a camera that offers both standard 35mm frames and sweeping 65:24 aspect ratio panoramas, all on the same roll of film. So whether you're capturing street scenes or expansive landscapes, the XPan gives you versatility in every shot. The XPan features a dual format capability, allowing you to switch between standard 35mm, 24x36mm, and panoramic 24x65mm modes mid-roll. This means you can capture a mix of regular and wide-angle shots without needing a second camera. It's a feature that gives photographers the freedom to experiment and adapt to different scenes without changing film or lenses. Another standout element is the XPan's Rangefinder focusing system. Unlike typical SLR cameras, the Rangefinder design helps in precise manual focusing, even in low light. It's quieter too, making it a favorite among street photographers who want to remain discreet while capturing candid moments. The camera also uses a leaf shutter system built into the lenses, offering a flash sync speed of up to 100 fps, useful for creative lighting setups. In terms of build quality, the XPan has a solid all-metal body, giving it a premium, durable feel. It's not bulky despite its features, making it easy to carry around for everyday use or travel photography. The camera came with three main lenses, a 45mm f4, a 90mm f4, and a wider 30mm f5.6. The 45mm is the standard kit lens and provides a wide yet natural perspective, while the 30mm gives you an ultra-wide view perfect for landscapes. These lenses are sharp, with excellent color rendition, living up to the Hasselblad reputation. Shooting with the XPan is an experience in itself. The camera's viewfinder adjusts to show the correct frame lines depending on the format you're using, so there's no guesswork involved. The feel of advancing the film manually and the satisfying click of the shutter provide a tactile experience that digital cameras can't quite replicate. It's a camera for those who enjoy the process of photography, not just the end result. Keep in mind, though, that finding one in good condition can be a challenge, as they're becoming rarer and more expensive on the used market. If you do manage to get your hands on one, it's a real conversation starter and a fantastic tool for exploring panoramic photography. So, that's the Hasselblad XPan, a truly unique camera that offers the best of both worlds with its dual format capability and classic rangefinder design. If you're interested in trying out panoramic film photography, this camera might just be the perfect fit for your creative needs. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into iconic cameras. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting! Remember, if you have any questions about the XPan or want to share your experience with it, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep capturing those amazing shots.